Occasionally, I get asked how a Galaxy phone user finds out the manufacturing date of his or her phone. Actually, there are various ways to find out when your device was made, including decoding the serial or IMEI number or keying a special code on the dialer. But the easiest way I find is by using the Device Info app by Yasaru. Anyone can do it by just downloading an app. You can download the Device Info app by Yasaru from Google Play. Then open it and go to the Device tab. Here, you can see the manufactured date field. My Galaxy Z Flip 5 was manufactured in August 2023. Let me show you my other phone. This is the Galaxy S23. Similarly, I have installed the Device Info app on this phone. Just go to the Device tab, and I can see it was made in February 2023. Isn't that easy? Okay, that's it for this video. I will see you again.